Hello, and welcome to this video on the income statement and statement of financial position quiz for a sole trader. Now, you may need to pause the video between the questions to enable yourself to have enough time to answer the questions. So, question 1. What is the purpose of the income statement for a sole trader? A. To calculate the net worth of the business. B. To show the profitability of business over a period of time. C. To record the cash movements in the business. Or D. To determine the value of non-current assets. Number 2. Which of the following would be classified as a non-current asset in a statement of financial position for a sole trader? Would be A. Inventory, B. Bank overdraft, C. Property, D. Trade receivables. Question 3. Which of the following is included in the calculation of the gross profit in the income statement? Is it A. Depreciation, B. Cost of sales, C. Rent, or D. Administrative expenses? Question 4. A sole trader has sales revenue of £100,000 and cost of sales of £60,000. What is the gross profit? Is it A. £40,000, B. £50,000, C. £60,000, or D. £100,000? Question 5. A sole trader's business has £100,000 in sales, £70,000 in cost of sales, and £20,000 in expenses. What is the gross profit for the year? Is it A. £30,000, B. £50,000, C. £70,000, or D. £100,000? Question 6. Which of the following would appear as a liability in a statement of financial position of a sole trader? Is it A. Non-current assets, B. Drawings, C. Bank loan, or D. Net profit? Question 7. In a statement of financial position, which item is classified as a current liability? Is it A. Bank loan due in 5 years, B. Trade payables, C. Equipment, or D. Property? Question 8. In the income statement, the term profit for the year refers to A. The total revenue plus the total expenses, B. The gross profit minus expenses, C. The total sales revenue minus the cost of sales, or D. The capital introduced into the business. Question 9. The profit for the year in the income statement is the final figure after all expenses have been deducted from sales revenue. Is that true or false? Question 10. In a statement of financial position, capital is recorded under liabilities. Is that true or false? Question 11. The statement of financial position shows the financial position of a sole trader at a specific point in time. Is that true or false? Question 12. Depreciation of non-current assets is an expense and is deducted in the income statement. Is that true or false? Question 13. Depreciation is an expense that reduces the value of non-current assets in a statement of financial position. Is that true or false? Question 14. Drawings made by the owner are recorded in the income statement as an expense. Is that true or false? 15. A sole trader has sales revenue of £120,000, cost of sales of £70,000, and expenses of £30,000. What is the profit for the year? Is it A. £20,000, B. £30,000, C. £40,000, or D. £50,000? Question 16. The total assets of a sole trader are £150,000 and total liabilities are £90,000. What is the owner's capital, also known as the net assets? Is it A. £60,000, B. £70,000, C. £80,000, or D. £90,000? Question 17. A sole trader has non-current assets of £100,000, current assets of £50,000, and current liabilities of £30,000. What is the amount of the net current assets, also known as the working capital? Is it A. £20,000, B. £50,000, C. £70,000, or D. £80,000? Question 18. If a sole trader has a gross profit of £65,000 and total expense of £19,000, what is the profit for the year? Is it A. £84,000, B. £46,000, C. £45,000, or D. £85,000? Question 19. A sole trader has a closing capital of £55,000 and during the year, the profit for the year was £20,000. If the owner's drawings were £5,000, what was the opening capital? Would it be A, £40,000, B, £50,000, C, £60,000, or D, £70,000? And question 20. A sole trader has a profit for the year of £15,000 and drawings of £5,000. What is the closing capital if the opening capital was £20,000? Is it £25,000 for A, or B, £30,000, C, £35,000, or D, £40,000? So now we're going to go through the answers for these questions. So number 1, what is the purpose of the income statement for a sole trader? The answer is B, to show the profitability of the business over a period of time. Question 2, which of the following will be classified as a non-current asset in a statement of financial position for a sole trader? And the answer would be C, property. Question 3, which of the following is included in the calculation of gross profit in the income statement? And the answer is B, cost of sales. Question 4, a sole trader has sales revenue of £100,000 and cost of sales of £60,000. What is the gross profit? And the answer is A, £40,000. Question 5. A sole trader's business has £100,000 in sales, £70,000 in cost of sales, and £20,000 in expenses. What is the gross profit for the year? And the answer is A, £30,000. Question 6. Which of the following would appear as a liability in a statement of financial position of a sole trader? And the answer to that one would be C, it's bank loan. Question 7. In a statement of financial position, which item is classified as a current liability? The answer to that one is B, it's trade payables. Question 8. In the income statement, the term profit of the year refers to, and the answer is B, the gross profit minus expenses. Question 9. The profit for the year in the income statement is the final figure after all expenses have been deducted from the sales revenue, and the answer to that one is true. Question 10. In a statement of financial position, capital is recorded under liabilities, and the answer is false. Question 11. The statement of financial position shows the financial position of a sole trader at a specific point in time, and the answer is true. Question 12. Depreciation of non-current assets is an expense and is deducted in the income statement, and the answer is true. Question 13. Depreciation is an expense that reduces the value of non-current assets in a statement of financial position, and the answer is true. Question 14. Drawings made by the owner are recorded in the income statement as an expense, and the answer is false. Question 15. A sole trader has sales revenue of £120,000, cost of sales of £70,000, and expenses of £30,000. What is the profit for the year? And the answer is A, £20,000. Question 16. The total assets of a sole trader are £150,000 and total liabilities are £90,000. What is the owner's capital, also known as the net assets? And the answer is A, £60,000. Question 17. A sole trader has non-current assets of £100,000, current assets of £50,000, and current liabilities of £30,000. What is the amount of net current assets, also known as working capital? And the answer is A, £20,000. Question 18. If a sole trader has the gross profit of £65,000 and total expenses of £19,000, what is the profit for the year? And the answer is B, £46,000. Question 19. A sole trader has closing capital of £55,000 and during the year, the profit for the year was £20,000. If the owner's drawings were £5,000, what was the opening capital? And the answer to that one is A, £40,000. And question 20. A sole trader has a net profit of £15,000 and drawings of £5,000. What is the closing capital if the opening capital is £20,000? And the answer is B, £30,000. So I hope you enjoyed the quiz then for a sole trader income statement and statement of financial position. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care then. Goodbye.